guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. So we're still in home quarantine, so let us all pray that all these things should end. For the meantime, I will teach you a quick recipe. It's a 20-minute recipe on chili garlic shrimp pasta. Now, you can serve to your friends or your family if they're allowed already to come and visit you. So, tara, samahan niyo po ako.
When you've done what you want, maybe I should start over.
Okay guys, so this is our chili garlic shrimp pasta. Okay guys, this is our ingredients for our chili garlic shrimp pasta. I have already cooked and prepared a pack of pasta, cooked in hot water for 10 to 12 minutes with about a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of salt. Then we have 300 grams of large shrimp. We have one small onion chopped. We have about 6 to 7 cloves of chopped garlic. Then we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course, salt and pepper to taste. Then we have 2 tablespoons of butter. And then 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then we have half a teaspoon of paprika. And then you also need about 2 tablespoons of our chopped parsley. You will also need some Parmesan cheese. It's optional depending on your taste. And please save half a cup of the starch where you boil and prepare the noodles for us to thicken the sauce later on. Okay guys, so let's start cooking. In a preheated pan like this, about medium to high. When it's already heated, then we place our 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then afterwards guys, we will melt our 2 tablespoons of butter. So let it melt a little bit. After it has all been melted, then we put our chopped onions and saute it a little bit. When the onion becomes transparent, then we add on our garlic. And then after we add on our chili flakes. Hindi ko na siya inubos kasi ayoko nang masyadong maanghang. But allow this to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And now guys, we add on our 300 grams of shrimp. Let it cook until the shrimp become pinkish or it changes its colors. Then guys, season the dish with some salt and pepper. Me, I like it, my dishes peppery, so I add a little bit more. And then we add on our paprika. Give it a little bit of mix so that the shrimp would absorb all these ingredients. I hope you guys can smell this. It really smells good. And then we add on our chopped parsley. Bring the heat or your fire to low or medium. Then we add a little bit of the starch where we boil our pasta. This is just about enough to thicken the sauce a little bit. And then bring this to a boil. This is optional, guys. Usually I add a little bit of garlic powder for extra taste. Just a little bit. Because I like my sauce peppery and garlicky. And now, guys, it's time to add our cooked pasta. So we combine it with our sauce. And then, guys, we mix and combine the pasta with the sauce. And then we add our grated Parmesan cheese. And give it a little bit of stir again to mix all these lovely ingredients together. Okay, so we're done, and it's now time to plate our chili garlic shrimp pasta. This is a very easy recipe, guys, and this can serve about 5 to 6 people. Okay, guys, so this is our chili garlic shrimp pasta. Enjoy! Ayan, guys, it's now time to taste our chili garlic shrimp pasta. Wow, this is actually a good recipe, guys, kasi it's a Lenten season, right? So no meat for the meantime during Lenten time. So the seasoning is just right. There's a bite of spiciness, so it depends on your taste. So better, guys, to control how much chili flakes do you use. And if you want it a little bit more saltier, you can put a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please do comment below, and see you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po. Bye! Thank you, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po.